What's up guys, it's Bound here from Andro.com. So what I have over here is an electric toothbrush. This is not an ordinary electric toothbrush because this one is an inexpensive one. Now the problem that a lot of people face when picking up an electric toothbrush in the first place is these electric toothbrushes can be quite expensive. Because of that high price, a lot of people don't even think about trying out an electric toothbrush, mainly because they are not sure after they try the electric toothbrush whether it would be good for them or not after paying such a big price. So that's why I have this inexpensive toothbrush over here. So I'm going to be sharing my experience after using this for almost a year now. So this is actually my second pair. I have been using one for over a year now, and I'm going to share my experience with you guys so that you can even go ahead and try it out. So I actually picked it up on AliExpress. I'll have a link for this down below in the description. Let's go ahead and talk about this electric toothbrush, and let me tell you whether you should also upgrade to an electric toothbrush in this video. So if you guys are new to my channel, smash that subscribe button right now, share this video with your friends. Let's get started with today's video. The electric toothbrush that I have over here is from a company called Sego that I picked up on AliExpress. So I'll have the link for that, like I mentioned before, down below in the description, as well as a few other electric toothbrush offerings that are available. So the reason for me to pick this brush up was mainly the price that it came in, because this wasn't that expensive. I actually checked out certain electric toothbrushes from companies like Oral-B, but they were quite expensive, and at that point I wasn't sure whether I should start using an electric toothbrush or not, and especially considering the high price point, I wasn't really sure. But then I went ahead and picked this one up, and it has been well over a year now, and my experience with it has been quite positive, and I'm really considering about upgrading to a much better electric toothbrush in the future. So far this one has been working really well. It has 5 modes that are built into it. So the first mode is the white mode, second is the clean mode, then we have sensitive mode, polish mode and massage mode. What you see on screen now is a description of each mode and what it does. So I hope you guys will be able to make the maximum out of this, and overall it works quite well. So I actually have the black color version of this as well as this white color version that I have over here, and it's offered in the store in different variants. So you can check out the link down below in the description to see which one suits you. So the main thing that you need to do when it comes to electric toothbrush is this is electric at the end of the day, so you have to go ahead and plug this into a charger and charge it like any of your other electric devices to get the best experience. When it comes to charging, another useful thing is that this charger is a USB charger, so you can just plug it in to almost any charger that you have, whether it's your phone charger or whether it's a USB port on your laptop or computer. You can easily do that with this charger, and you can even charge it up on the go using a power bank if you really want. But the best part with this one is, even if it doesn't really have battery, you can still use it because it looks and feels so much like a regular toothbrush. And the tip over here at the top is removable, so you can just pop it out just like this and replace the tip very easily within seconds, just like this. And you can even buy these replacement tips in the store, so you really don't have to throw away the main electric part, so you just have to go ahead and replace the head part of it, which is pretty cool. This brush in particular from Sego has up to 40,000 strokes per minute, and it has a 6mm wide swing. This one in particular has soft bristles, so it's very easy on your teeth, and overall it's able to clean your teeth up very well. This brush also has a time option, so the basic mode has 2 minutes. So for each side of your mouth you can just hold it up for 30 seconds and it will give you a small alert when 30 seconds are up, so you can just stop from that side and move on to the other side. Sometimes when I use this for more than 2 minutes also, So I use it on all 4 corners, and then the front and the insides as well. So somewhere around 3.5 minutes I think I used this brush, and since it's all electric, all I have to do is just hold it near my teeth, and the brush will be doing all the heavy work for me. Another thing I found really useful in the time that I used this toothbrush was the comfortable grip that it has, and how easy it was for me to just use it on a day-to-day basis, because at the end of the day, even though this is electric, this was waterproof, so I can easily go ahead and wash it up very well and then pack it up in my bag. Even when I go somewhere, I just charged it up and used it. And when talking about the battery life, I think I saw well over a month of battery life with this electric toothbrush, even after using it twice a day and sometimes even 3 times a day in case of emergency. So this one has been doing a pretty good job overall for me, and I think now I'm ready for an upgrade. So I would like to hear from you guys whether you use an electric toothbrush or not. If so, go ahead and drop a comment down below and let me know which model you guys use, so that maybe I can pick one up in the future and make an update to this video of a more expensive and fully feature packed version of an electric toothbrush for you to get the best experience. Go ahead and drop a comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this different type of video that I have here in my channel about the electric toothbrush, and share this video with a friend who you think might find this video useful. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button right now for more awesome tech videos just like this, and follow me on social media. I'm at Andro Dollar. The links are given down below in the description, and stay tuned to androdollar.com for all the latest from the tech world. Until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.